All right, today's work is multiplying. So we're going from adding, subtracting, multiplying. So with multiplying, I'm going to go right with your classwork. I'm not even going to do notes here. I'm going to do the first few, and hopefully you'll understand. Okay, so what we do when we multiply, the steps are you multiply the numbers. We call them the coefficients. Sorry, and then you add the exponents. And I'm going to show you why here. That's the general rule. So we multiply numbers, that means the numbers in front, and we add the exponents, that's the tiny number at the top. Okay? Sorry. So we have two terms, we have two things here, not two terms, but two things being multiplied together. The number in front of this one is 1. That's a 1. It's just styluses aren't as easy to use as we'd like to think they are. So 1 times 4, so we're multiplying the coefficients, and I get 4. And then I add the exponents. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Now, why is that? Hopefully you understand why 4 times 1 is 4. However, this n squared is n times n, and this n to the fourth is n times n times n times n. So here's n to the fourth. This is n squared, and if I'm multiplying those together, which is this multiplying right there, there's 6 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's why it's to the 6th. Okay, you can do that if you want. So I could do this. I'm taking the 4 times the 3 times the 3. Multiply those together, which I believe is 36. And then you can see that n to the third is 3 n's. Just plain old n is just n. And n to the fourth is 1, 2, 3, 4. So altogether, there are 8 of them. And that's it for multiplying monomials. So number 3 here, excuse me, when I talk a lot, I cough. No need to worry. Okay, so n to the 4, it's like 1n, and this is 4n. 4 times 1 is 4, and there's 1n here and 1n here, so altogether, that would be n squared. So n times n is n squared. Let's try this one here. 3 times 4 is 12. You have 4 m's here, 1 m here. So that's m to the 5th. Okay? So give those a try. They can be written in different ways. We can have 3 of them. You know, it's just, you just write them all out. So here, this one's written slightly different, so I'll do these 2 here. There's 3. There's an n, and then n squared is n times n. So altogether, that's 3n cubed. You don't have to do this step. It's not necessary. This step here, it's not really necessary, but you can if you want, because it makes it so that you kind of understand it a little better. Now 2x to the 4th and 3x. So I'm multiplying these 2 together. So this is 6. And then x to the 4th and just x. This is x to the 4th. That's just add the x. So that would be 6x to the 5th. So try the rest of those and see how it goes. Have a good day.